Welcome, in front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by pressing the power button to wake up the screen on our watch. Now let's press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one we like and tap on it to apply it, like this. We can also customize some of the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu again and tap on the settings icon. Let's try again. Here we can tap on data to change the widgets. For example, we can tap on one and select the widget we like. For example, calendar. Here we can set clock and countdown to date. Let's select some date and then tap the arrow to confirm. Here we can tap on battery and select something else, for example weather. And once you're done, swipe right on the screen to go back. Then you can tap on styles. Here we can select the style, for example yellow. Let's open the menu again, settings, and below we have notification indicator and we can turn it on and off by tapping on the slider. And at the bottom we have background image, and you can also set up your own image by tapping right here, selecting the folder, and here we have element art, for example, like this. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here, open the Google Wear OS app on your phone. In the app we have watch faces category right here, tap on more, and here we have a list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. Simply tap on one to apply it, for example this one. As you can see, the watch face changed. For example, let's change it another time, like that. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.